Hi guys, so this video is going to be a Q&A. I posted on my Instagram for y'all to ask me questions and you did. So excuse me, let's just see. So Quapen says, do you want more kids? And yes, I do. I really want a girl because, you know, somebody has to inherit all of their skills, auntie. So I really want a girl, and I'm hoping for next year, 2019, for a girl, or to be pregnant by next year. I don't know. So Maxi Jam says, your weight loss is amazing. What do you eat to keep your weight down? My weight never stays down. I am just now realizing that my weight fluctuates a lot, especially when I'm on my period. This happens when you've switched up something, more specifically your nutrition. I notice that my weight fluctuates a lot. My tummy is bigger some days, smaller some days. My face gets really puffy some days. It's normal looking some days, and it's very frustrating for me because I know I have people who are watching me and people who are watching and scrutinizing what I do, what I eat, the workouts I do. I know I'm being scrutinized, so for me it's a little bit uncomfortable for me to be going through so much physical changes on camera, but this is what I chose to do, and I like that it's being, you know, recorded. I like that I record my workout routines and stuff, so it keeps me abreast of my own body and my form in the gym. So what do I eat to keep, no one is Uncle and I don't count it. So what do I eat to keep my weight down? I just eat, and some days I eat bad, some days I eat good. So I just eat. There's nothing specific that I eat to keep my weight down or up, you know. I just eat. But if it is that you're looking for something, I would definitely say you can research what you can eat. First of all, my tip to you guys, or to you Maxi Jam, if it is that you want, you know, tips or whatever, is to first research your body type. There are 3 main body types, so research the Jonathan? Oh, there are 3 main body types, so research that and see which one you fall into, and then you can begin your nutrition journey for that specific body type and what workout works for that body type as well. And also research intermittent fasting if it works for you, the ketogenic diet if it works for you, the paleo diet if it works for you, veganism, whatever it is that works for you. So yeah. How early do you wake up every morning to exercise, and by what time are you in bed by the end of the night? So I wake up at 3:30 every morning, and the latest I try to go to my bed is by 9, but the truth is between 7:30 and 8:30 I'm in my bed, so it just depends on what time I fall asleep. And that question is by faith.rtm. Yes. Forever.and.always says, and there's like 2 underscores, forever and always says, what are your secrets on becoming a successful Caribbean, a successful YouTuber from the Caribbean? Girl, whether you're from the Caribbean, from wherever, I would say stay true to you. Do things that you love. That's how you start out. And then after you built your audience, basically doing things that you already love. So when a suggestion comes in every now and again, it's fine to accommodate. But I say just be yourself, and that sounds very cliche, but I will say, however, and I don't know if people will say this to you, but invest in at least lighting. Like a ring light, the new ring light that I use now, that I'm using now, is only $100 and I believe $20. And newer.com, that's NEEWER, that's what I'm using now. And then I remember the soft boxes, I had 2 soft boxes. I removed the shading or the lamp shade or whatever from around it, and then I have them perched at the back here. So my lighting right now is gorgeous, honey, but I would really love to get one right here, one right here, one right here, and like one on top, honey, and one here, like, oh, I want to be lit. Right, so I would say invest in lighting, because nowadays, I mean, I vlog with my phone, so like I don't think a camera is an issue, just get good lighting. Faith.rtm says again, how did you kickstart your weight loss journey at the very beginning? I have always been on a weight loss journey. I didn't realize it until I actually started losing weight. I did the Beyonce diet with the lime, the cayenne, and the honey. I did ISO tea, flat tummy tea without even working. I did everything, and I did everything except working out. And it was after I had Jonathan where I thought I was at my biggest, and I was like, you know what, mommy them go healing in the morning, so I just went to go with them one morning, and I did, and I never looked back. Careful, bam bam. And the other question, the other part to her question is, what was it started was it extreme, or did you slowly make changes? Oh no, honey, I'm an extremist. I go right in until I fizzle out. It fell? It's okay, I still take it off. I do the video. Hold on, now back down. I go all in until I don't have the energy, and then I just kind of, you know, like relax. Where are you going? So Kalia Patrice says, what church do you go to? I go to Fellowship Tabernacle Portmore. That's at 8, that's in 8 West, and it's at the Epsom Basic School in 8 West. And when I take my family trip, I'll mess up and stop by and visit. Okay, that's cool. Yes. How much do you weigh and how much meals do you eat per day? Maya Branco. No, this how much do you weigh question is very embarrassing for me, because when you just started your weight loss journey, it's scrape a bit back. When you just start your weight loss journey, you are obsessed with the weight, with the scale, you know, and rightfully so, because you want to lose weight. But now that I'm on a fat loss muscle building journey, my weight has gone up. I'm now 151 pounds. And I don't know how I feel about that yet. You know, people always saying, oh, it's muscle, it's muscle, it's muscle. And I can see my physique changing, but on my scale, my Vanity Planet scale, it's not showing that it's muscle. It's showing that it's actual, like I have gotten fat. It's showing fat gain, you know, and it's showing that I'm not drinking enough water. It's just showing all the things I don't want to see. Again, with eating, the question with eating is, I eat 2 to 3 meals a day. Now that I'm going to the hill, I'm doing like 9 miles in the mornings. I didn't go this morning because I was so tired from this weekend's workout. But I do 9 miles in the mornings, and when I get back, I'm usually extremely hungry, and I feed myself, and then I don't eat again until after I come back from the gym. And I usually go to the gym between, it's going to be a wide gap, but this is how my days run, between 1:30 and 4. That's my gap, right? So you want your glasses? Right. So and then that will be my 2 meals, and then if I feel peckish in between, I'll have something. But I do not practice eating and then going to the gym. I don't know, that's just my mental, but you can do your own research if that's what you want to do. Yeah. Jada Regina says, oh, and I love Jonathan. Oh, she said, would you ever move to the States? Jada, it is my friend Jada. That's a very good question. Cool.
I'm talking.
I really would move to the States. I would. It would be better for my company. Shipping would be easier. Receiving the products would be easier. Everything would be so much easier and way more cost effective. So I would definitely move to the States. I would. Rennie Boo Everbless says, when are you coming to Canada? Would you think about starting your online classes again? I would think about starting my online classes again, but I would do it in a DVD form. And I said DVD, I would have...
I said, I'm not speaking to students. I'm just saying, talking.
Somebody outside?
Huh?
Well, look, who is outside?
Leon?
I'm not sure, go check. Canada, I'm thinking about 2019, 2020 because I need a visa for that. And I would do my online classes again, but I would do like a series of videos and then probably YouTube videos and then do it like that. Oh, so it's something I'd have to research and see how I'd do, but I would. One Voice says, one tip to follow your passion and confidently, not to conform to society's expectations of your career choices, etc. Following your passion is a very broad topic because some of us don't even know our passion. We confuse our passion for what we're feeling right now. We confuse our passion for our destiny, for our purpose. There's a lot of confusion around. I would love to say be yourself and do what you want to do, but the truth is this world does not allow for it. Whether you're a Christian or non-Christian, whoever you are, I just feel like no matter what you do, whoever you are, you'll never be accepted by society. You don't have to do you confidently, and that's what I try to do, and that's why my confidence is such a struggle for me, because I am on social Very good. Because I am on social media, so I mean I'm judged okay, Baba. I'm judged way more harsh than the typical person, you know what I mean? Like, people are waiting for me to fail. They're waiting for me to gain weight. They're waiting for me to get a divorce. They're waiting for me. Zamar, if you say that again, I'm going to beat you. They're waiting on me to fail. Not only are they waiting for me to fail, they're waiting on you to fail. Because I don't care who you are. I don't care who you are. You always have at least one or two people who are just like, she can't do it. She's just, girl, there ain't no way she can do it, girl. And that's, I don't know what it is about people failing that intrigues us so much, but it does. So I said Shavon, but Shavon, for you and for me, you know, it's a struggle for me to just be myself. It's a struggle for me to be me confidently. You know, a lot of things I can't even stay on camera, and when I do stay on camera I have to edit it out, you know. It's not like I'm cussing or anything, but that's just me on a day-to-day basis. But I would not be accepted, and people would say, oh, you know, you don't do this. First of all, the Bible says there's a time and place for everything under the sun, which means sometimes you can do this, sometimes you can't do it. Just find the time and place. And the Bible also says, become all things to all men that you might win some. So you're going to be everything to everyone that you might minister, witness, or reach. Some, not even all, which speaks to us being versatile, I believe. So own your versatility. I'm speaking to myself right now. Own your versatility, Simone. Own your versatility. How can you be confident? How can you be confident and not conform to society's expectations of your career choices? Prove them wrong. Jesus did nothing but prove these niggas wrong, honey. Every step of the way, them asking my question, he's like, but what do you know what I mean? He constantly proved them wrong. I never did prove them wrong for show them up. He was proving them wrong to show them that, listen, there is no way that you can do all these things and still think that you're this type of person. Prove them wrong. Be confidently you. I feel like I'm talking crap because I'm talking to myself and everything I'm saying is coming out of my mouth, but it's not making sense. How can I confidently be me? How can I confidently be me? How can I wake up every single day and think, yes, today is the day? Some days I feel good about it, Shav, and some days I don't. I haven't filmed in weeks, and this week for some reason I'm just on a filming roll, and as you and I spoke about, I'm literally just riding the wave, which sucks. It's annoying, but right now, Shav, I'm riding that wave of confidence. I'm riding that wave of filming and getting videos out. I'm just riding that wave, you know. So my girl says only one import. Apart from your makeup brushes and eyelashes from PERISCOPE, when will you do an eyeshadow palette? We need something more fierce to dip them brushes in. I don't know if I'm ever going to do a palette, but you know, they always say never say never. So I'm not saying never, but I don't know if I'm going to be doing a palette. Whoa, there's a lot of questions. Hold on. Asukam Baba. So Shani M20 says, how do you deal with your body odor, if any, while working out? Girl, I smell stink. I smell good when I squat down. And my aroma rises up, you know. I just like, okay, I just find a room in the gym. I'm like, I'm squatting. Ain't nobody need to smell this over here, honey. I'm busy. How many sets left? 100. I'm busy. I'm gonna be busy a while. I do smell, so I try my best to shower before I go to the gym. But if I'm coming from the road, so make sure I shower, some wipe up. Wipe up and then my work out. Zamar, careful with that pencil. Christina Chantal says, would you do a meet and greet for your birthday? I would love to. I would love to do a meet and greet for my birthday. Sarah Mach 14 says, I love you so much. Can you do my makeup for my wedding present? Alright. Okay, good. Yeah, that's it. Woohoo! That's it for the Q&A. That's it for the Q&A. Zamar, what are you doing? Say thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching tomorrow.
Today. Say please, look at the camera. Please subscribe to Mommy's.
You.
channel?
YouTube channel.
Anything else?
Anything else?
Come give me a kiss. Kiss me. Kiss me, mama. E. What you rub on your teeth? Lord God, what were you rubbing on your teeth? Anyway, guys, I'll talk to you guys in the next video. Bye. Look at the camera and smile again. Smile. Oh, jeez, where your Crocs? It fell.